uyabona uyabona Siyabonga le nto le yawumsangano uyabona ingakho nje ngithi angiyithathi serious yabona ngoba ngitshena nje ukuthi into nje enenkatha phakathi uthi angibathathi nje serious abantu benkatha nje in fact because uma uzozwa i-leadership yakhona ingakwazi ngisho ukukhuluma uku-articulate ama-issues ucabanga ukuthi kuzokuba njani kwi-membership yabona let alone the voters. You see ukuthi lento yomasipala abakolapsile eZululand emkhanya kude kupha abaphethwe inkatha it's because ukuthi la abantu abakuma strategic position lapha kwinkatha abantu okuthiwa babe ngamasosha enkatha yabona amasosha kaZulu or amaphoyisa kaZulu lawa ithunywa ukuthi adubula abantu inkabi kugcwele bona ke kuma position yabona even now they are being deployed kuma strategic position kuma provincial provincial government yabona soon i-provincial government uzoyibona ukuthi izobe njani ngikunikeza uAugust mayuthi inkatha izoqhubeka iphathi it will collapse that thing yabona it's because isandla senkatha siyathinta siyangcolisa umhlathuze senzani lapha yes umhlathuze uzobona ukuthi umuntu wenkatha kade uthisha nje ukuthi usephethe water and infrastructure somewhere yabona so ayikho le nto enkatha ayithathi serious yona that's why mina ngiquestiona nje yonke into nje enenkatha from kwi-voter to the leadership there's nothing nje even into ongayikhuluma nomuntu wenkatha yabona so nje inkatha nje udodi nje oyivotelayo member yayo leadership there's not ukubezo MEC balapha eKZN nondunankulu hey wamadoda eyisenkingeni neses hey yazi yasigele ANC ngothi inikeza inkathi power yes